a powerful electric pressure washer from a name you trust. The ePX 3500 from Westinghouse produces a maximum of 2,500 pounds of pressure and pumps up to 1.76 gallons of water per minute. Clean, renew, and rejuvenate surfaces with the ePX 3500. Use the built-in 20-ounce soap tank with the soap applicator nozzle for wide area coverage to lift and release set-in stains on siding, windows, and cars. The turbo nozzle is for powerful cleaning on boats, RVs, or as a final rinse. The 25 and 15 degree nozzles are for deep cleaning wood, brick, and concrete, or for reaching those high and hard to reach places like gutters and chimneys. Finally, blast with precision using the high-pressure 0-degree nozzle for cleaning sidewalk cracks and driveways. The ePX 3500 is the ideal pressure washer for all your home needs. A stainless steel wand with brass quick connect fittings will easily change between nozzles. 25 feet of worry-free, abrasion-resistant hose with 360-degree quick lock wheels. Perfectly balanced, moving surface to surface effortlessly without tipping over. The ePX 3500 is perfect for limited storage space and portability. 2,500 pounds of high-power cleaning for your toughest job. From Westinghouse, the ePX 3500.